Government information really paints a copy of the landscape of our history and our government and our people. Because we are a democracy, these documents really represent what the country has done and is doing. And a kind of an interesting example of people and landscape comes from Ernie Pyle, a famous journalist from Indiana University. I've been working with a class that's studying Ernie Pyle, and I read an article by him about a guy by the name of Big Jim McDonald from Leadville, Colorado. So you have this person that was living there in 1938. Now, how can government information take a journalistic article from a newspaper and really tie that person to that place? You can do that through the original census records. They've been released through 1930, so you can go back and look up Jim McDonald in Leadville, Colorado, and find out that he was born in Canada, migrated to the United States at a certain point, that he earned so much money. But I can also take him further and paint a picture of what Leadville was like in 1930, 1940, 1950. Every year that that census was published, because it gives me statistics about how many people lived in Leadville, what was the main industry. Now we all can guess what the main industry is in Leadville, Colorado, and that's mining. And how important was mining to the development of Colorado and to the development of the entire nation, because it gave us the fuel to build the nation that we know today. But it can also tell us something about the environment, because what's the environmental problems today, and how is that tied to the mining of the past? And we can go back in and pull EPA and hazardous waste site records, etc. So documents can paint not only the past, but in a way the present and the future, because we do have ways of taking that data from the past and evaluating what we might be able to do in the future. And I think that's the significance of knowing what documents can do for a nation.